Welcome viewers, you are watching Bots based on true story where we bring you stories that matter. As the world moves in a fast pace, we remain a trusted source for in-depth analysis and latest updates. Let's dive in today's lead. Israel army captures Beaufort Castle in Lebanon, deepest intrusion in 26 years. Israel troop captures a historic Beaufort Castle, a strategic fortification near Nebanith in southern Lebanon, marking Israel's deepest military intrusion into the country in over 26 years. The capture followed of days of intense airstrike and fierce fighting between Israeli force and Helubas militants in surrounding villages. The 900-year-old castle atop of strategic mountain has a long-shield significant military value due to its commanding position over southern Lebanon. Virat Kohli blazing 75 par RCB back-to-back IPL titles, Gujarat Titans defeated by 5 wickets. Royal Challenger Bangalore won their second consecutive IPL title, beating Gujarat Titans by 5 wickets at the final at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Virat Kohli's unbeaten 75 off 42 balls, including 25-ball half-century, the fastest of his IPL career, sealed in the chase of 156 with 2 overs in spark. RCB became the only third franchisee after CSK and Mumbai Indians to win back-to-back IPL titles. West Bengal first cabinet expansion, 35 ministers to take oath under Chief Minister Subhendu Adhikari. West Bengal Chief Minister Subhendu Adhikari is set to carry out his first cabinet expansion on Monday, nearly 22 days after forming the state's first BJP government. 35 minister is sworn in Lok Sabha at 11 pm with Governor R.N. Ravi administrating the oath. The expansion is expected to prioritize women, backward communities and North Bengal representation. Shiv Kumar Siddaramaiah fly to Delhi to finalize Karnataka cabinet. Karnataka's CM designate D.K. Shiv Kumar and caretaker Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will meet the Congress High Command in Delhi on Monday to finalize the cabinet berths and other political appointments. Siddaramaiah's son Yatendra is being considered for cabinet berth. The party is likely to appoint OBC leader as the new KPCC president following the Shiv Kumar's elevation. Discussion on deputy CM appointments and process coordination committees are also on agenda. Shiv Kumar's swearing is scheduled for June 3rd at 4 pm at Raj Bhavan alongside the Council of Ministers. Rahul Gandhi alleged CBSE answer sheets scanned by mobile phones, college fraud, CBSE to penalize vendor. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi escalated his attack on CBSE, alleging that the vendor comped EduTech scanned class 12th answer sheet using mobile phones instead of using robotic scanners, calling it a fraud. He claimed CBSE May 2025 tender required automatic scanners at 300 DPI minimum, but the August revision quietly removed the standards, enabling quantify to quality. Gandhi accused PM Modi and Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan of complicity through silence, saying 18.5 lakh students were victims. CBSE is now to set impose financial penalties on under tender provisions. Lok Adalats have no authority to grant divorce, ruled Allahabad High Court only. Only family courts can dissolve marriages. The Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court ruled that Lok Adalats and District Legal Services authorities have no jurisdiction to grant divorce decrees, clarifying that only family courts hold such power. The verdict came on a petition by a woman whose husband has treated DLSA settlement as a divorce dispute and remarried. The court declared that remarriage clause in the settlement legally void. It is directed the judgment of by circulated to all Lok Adalats and DLSAs across Uttar Pradesh and future compliance. Thunderstorm across North India. Monsoon likely to hit Kerala and Tamil Nadu in 3 to 4 days. IMD forecast moderate to severe thunderstorm and wind up to 90 km per hour across northwest. Central and East India on Sunday. Delhi recorded 35.8 degrees to 4.2 degrees below normal. The yellow alert for light rain issued for Monday. Uttarakhand saw heavy downpours disrupting Kedarnath Yatra temporarily. Over 50 pilgrims were rescued from a swollen river Champawat. Rajasthan witnessed dust storm in Jaisalmer and Churu. Crucially, IMD indicated the southwest monsoon may advance into the parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu within 3 to 4 days.